understand that we have to stand on our own, to be self-reliant, to forgive human frailties and shortcomings, a way to achieve peace and contentment. With the coming of New Year, let us all assess and define who we are and what we really stand for. Make us understand the difference between wanting and needing, and to realize that it is truly giving that we receive. Guide us so we will know how to love, how much to give in, when to stop giving, and to discover that people can be controlled in our situations and outcomes, and just to be thankful and take comfort in many of the simple things.
Alatol! Diretso! Stop! Yan, Beverly, stop! Diretso!
Pati stricto ba?
Stella! Oliver! Oliver, ma!
Grabe! The champion! Wala ka, wala! Ah, grabe! Ang dami na alis agad!
Paano kaya? Balik kayo! Dance!
Pwede bang itali ito? Wala. You forgot? Oh, gumalaw oh! Baliw! Mga baliw! Lahi kayo ni Sisa!